What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Playboy, and we are back with another video. Today's video, we will be planting some more seeds. I enjoy planting things from seed and watching it grow. Now we are finna get into planting some more peppers, because I got too many bell peppers, and I don't have any jalapenos. The jalapenos that I had, they didn't make it. So we're gonna put those down again and monitor those, and hopefully they will grow. But this is what we're going to be planting today. We got some watermelon, Jubilee watermelons. It says it takes 90 days for full harvest. The best time to plant these are in the month of April and June in my area. If you can see back here in the seed packet, it'll show you what region you're in by your color, and we're in the orange region. So that's where it's best time to go ahead and put these out. Yes, it's March, but I want to go ahead and have them inside the greenhouse already producing, so when they get ready to go outside, they'll be perfect. I am in zone 8A/8B, depending on whatever, however the world is moving. We either 8A or 8B, so we can go ahead and put those out. I'm going to go ahead and plant some Bouquet Dill. Greenstalk sent me these a while back, so I want to get these in. It says these are good to keep away spiders and some other kind of bugs that I had last year. We hoping we don't have bugs like that again. Watermelon again. I got some tender sweet orange watermelon. So this got orange flesh in it. So you'll still get the regular outside of the watermelon, but the inside is going to be orange and it's going to be sweet. So I can't believe I found some of these seeds, but these seeds are from 2022. So hopefully they're going to be okay. All right, next we got some Hungarian Hot Wax Peppers. We're going to try to plant those again from 22. And also, again, we got some early jalapeno peppers. So we're going to go ahead and get those situated. Get those in our new seeding trays. I think the seeding trays we're going to choose this time, we're going to put them in the blue bootstraps farmers. This is our gift that we got. So we're going to put them in these. I'm not going to plant this whole thing with them. I might just do 6 watermelon, 4 peppers, 2 of each, and then do the deal. And that'll be it for that one. Alright, so stay tuned. We are finna go ahead and get it going. Alright, so now the process that I'm doing now, I am going through the soil again, like before. The soil needs to be moist. So what we're going to do is just going to add a little water to it. We need to put our gloves on. Oh, crap. Seeds flying everywhere. So why I got one glove and the other glove ain't there? Now, when dealing with soil, I like to put gloves on, because your hands got to get dirty, but I don't like getting stuff in my nails. But it's okay. So we're finna go ahead and get this process going, and then I'll bring y'all back when we get ready to plant the seeds. All right, y'all. We are now back. We are getting ready to go ahead and make our planting our seeds. We went ahead, took the time out, and made each one of a tab, so everybody has a tab for their own seed tray. So when they get ready to be transplanted, I don't have to go do this again. It's very bothersome going back and having to tag your plants after you already got them tagged. So now I'm going to show you the process of me planting the seeds. Alright y'all, so now we are going to go ahead and plant the seeds. I have y'all on the back facing camera now. Hopefully it doesn't look wonky. Let me see, let me stand over and see how that look. Okay, that looks good. Alright, so again, what we're going to do, it tells you on the back of the seeds, they need a 1/2, what is that, a 1/2 inch of depth. Now this stick right here that we have, it does have the little meters on it. So I'll put it on 2. And we'll just measure it. And then we'll make us a hole. Measure it, make us a hole. And we're going to do that all the way to the end. I don't put any fertilizer in right now because they're just seeds, because they got everything they need to get started. But I will, once they start developing, I will go ahead and make sure they have their own, like give them fertilizer. All right, first up is our Jubilee watermelon. We're only going to plant 1 seed per cell. Let's go ahead and get our tags. That's pepper. That's the dill. That's the Jubilee. That's a jalapeno, Jubilee, and orange. How did I miss a Jubilee? All right. And we're going to do, here's the seeds right here. You can see how they look. And we're just going to take them and place it in the soil and cover it up. So we're going to do Jubilee like this. We're going to go ahead and cover them up. And we're going to put our tags on them. I got to make one more tag, y'all. Thought I learned how to count years ago, y'all. But evidently I didn't. I think I was thinking like this, doing them like this, but I want to have a whole tray of watermelon. So now I'm making one more tag. Jubilee watermelon 310. All right. Next, we're doing the tender sweet watermelon, the orange watermelon. Y'all, I used to have this years ago when I was little. I have not found another one since. Hopefully these seeds will still be good from 22. Put it in, cover it up. Put it in, cover it up. Put it in, cover it up. Just like that. Easy. Put our name, our markers in here. 3. Perfect. All right, watermelon is now done. Yeah, cause see, this way I did two. All right, next we're gonna do early jalapeno. Now the rule of thumb is to plant 2 to 3 seeds. That should be enough. We're gonna put 2 seeds to the hole. If one pop them in there. If one doesn't make it, the other one should. All right, 2 jalapenos. That's it. Put it in. Cover it up. Cover it up. Jalapeno. Jalapeno. All right, next we got the Hungarian Hot Wax Pepper. These seeds here also are from 2022. And if you can see that these seeds are from a survival kit. So we're going to hope that we can survive. So we're going to pick these 2. That's 1, 2. And pick these 2. There it is. That part is done. We're going to put these back into their bags. I dropped both of the seeds, y'all. It's okay. We can catch them. Put them right back in the bag. There we go. All right. Let's put our tag. All right. Those are done. And then now we're going to do the deal. Bouquet of Dill. Okay, so this says when it's so outside, recommended 1 or 2 weeks before the average last frost date, and when the soil is at least 60 degrees. Success is shown every 2 to 3 weeks to ensure a continual fresh supply of foliage and seeds. So, every two to 3 weeks, they want us to come back and put some more down. So, y'all, we might have more that's coming in here every 2 weeks. So stay tuned to the videos to see how they turn out. And these are from Greenstock. Oh, look at those seeds, y'all. Look at those. Aren't those nice? Make sure our hole is still there. Now, I'm not going to count no seeds here, and I'm not going to be separating these. So whatever grows in this, it's just going to grow. So that was like 4 or 5 seeds there. I would go ahead and plant more, but we can wait on that. I'm going to try to do that every 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to plant some dill. All right. And then put your lid or labels in them, just like so. And we are good to go. And now you can see that we have 2 trays of 6 of some new seeds that we will be starting. All right, y'all. So this is the final outcome of everything planted. We got them in the bootstrap farmer holding seeding cells with the humidity domes. We got our labels. We got our seeds. And I went ahead and planted 2 more because the Bouquet Dill said it should be surface sowed. So over these one right here, I just buried them But these two back here, I went ahead and made these surface sow, and I already put some water in them. So now we just got to monitor them. Everybody in here likes heat, so hopefully these seeds will germinate quickly, and we will be monitoring them, of course. All right, y'all. This is the ending of the video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that follow button and hit that subscribe button, and tune in to see how these new seeds are going to do us in the upcoming weeks. Again, thank y'all so much. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.